Suis-Ualikhanov Street is located on the right bank of the capital in Baikonur district. It starts with Alexander Barayev Street and finishes at Ikolas Dukenova Street. Its length is 2,478 meters. Suis-Ualikhanov is the great Kazakh scientist, enlightener, orientalist, ethnographer, geographer, and folklorist. Suis-Ualikhanov was the senior sultan of Kushmurun district, a counselor of the chairman of Siberia-Kyrgyz administration, a senior sultan of Kokshetau district. For his merit and works, he was awarded for life with the title of nobleman. Big trade centers as Asem, Shapagat, Alem, Tulpar, Astanalik Bazaar are located on the street. Also, there are a lot of new built high-altitude buildings alongside the street.